Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add location on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. So tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see this kind of interface. Now take a snap. Next, swipe left for 1, 2, 3 times. When you swipe left, then you will get this option. So to enable location, you should go to setting of your device. For that, let's go to the setting. Tap on setting. Now scroll down until you find Snapchat. So here it is, tap on it. And on location, tap on it. Choose always, so it will give access to location for every time when you'll choose always. Now go back to Snapchat. Now again take a snap. Now again swipe left for 3 times. Now here you can see your location is visible. So in this way you can add your location on your Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.